combat nail fungus with this natural recipe. When it comes to fighting fungus, it's important to act as soon as it's detected. In this article, we want to share a recipe made from alcohol and natural ingredients that will help you combat nail fungus. Nail fungus, a condition known as onychomycosis, is caused by the attack of dermatophytes, yeast, or non-dermatophyte mold that spreads rapidly in humid and warm environments. Although the condition doesn't show any symptoms in the beginning, however, little by little it's possible to notice that the nail looks thicker with a yellowish hue and that the surrounding skin looks inflamed. It's also important to fight the fungus to avoid losing the nail completely. A suggestion for fighting nail fungus. This remedy is a product for external use with antiseptic and antifungal properties that helps to destroy the microorganisms that cause infections. Overall, it acts in a similar way to some conventional antifungal treatments. However, it's cheaper and does not contain aggressive chemical substances. Benefits of alcohol. To boost this natural treatment, we are going to use 90-ethyl alcohol, the one that's usually in all first aid kits. Stands out because of its disinfectant and antibacterial effects which prevent the development of infections when applied to wounds. It's very effective against a wide variety of bacteria and fungi, although it doesn't attack bacterial spores. Furthermore, it's used as a complement to treatment against onychomycosis. However, you need to combine it with other ingredients to enhance its attack. The benefits of hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a natural product that's used for the disinfection of superficial wounds. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties are effective in combating fungus on the nails and feet, so it's often used in nail treatments. Hydrogen peroxide also helps to diminish the yellowish coloration caused by fungus. Plus, if that weren't enough, it prevents weakening and breaking of the nail. The benefits of white vinegar. Another natural product that will take advantage of white vinegar. Known for its culinary, medicinal, and domestic uses, this disinfectant product works well against onychomycosis. White vinegar contains organic acids. These alter the environment the microorganisms need to breed, stopping the infection. Its antiseptic and antifungal properties help to fight fungus and prevent the deterioration of the nail. Therefore, it's great for reducing itching, hardness, and other unsightly symptoms caused by fungal infection. How to prepare this remedy. To combat nail fungus that's damaging your nails, all the above ingredients are combined in the same single treatment. It's very easy to make and you can use it regularly until the problem is solved. Ingredients. .5 tablespoons of 90-ethyl alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons. Of white vinegar. Utensils. One glass container cotton. Preparation. First, pour the ethyl alcohol in a glass container and then mix it with baking soda and white vinegar. Then, cover the container and shake it so that everything is well mixed. Store it in a cool and dry place to keep it in good condition. How to apply. First, rinse the infected nail thoroughly. Dry it, and rub the treatment on with the help of a piece of cotton. If the nail is too thick and yellow, file the surface before applying the remedy. Use it twice a day, every day. Bear in mind that, since the effects of this remedy won't be immediate, it's important to use it for at least 2 months. If the infection still persists, extend the treatment for 8 to 12 months. If you see any sign of infection, you can fight the fungus with this remedy and avoid complications in the medium and long term.
Yeah.